Step-by-step guide in writing the sports lead.
Kamusta mga sports writers? Today, we'll talk about sports leads. Yes, yung unang linya ng balita na nagsasummarize sa mga pangyayari sa isang sport event. Leads are like highlight reels in words. And today, we'll break down 3 examples from a student and 2 professional writers para malaman natin ang sikreto kung paano ang pagsulat ng isang magandang sports lead. Ang unang lead na ating i-analyze ay gawa ng aking estudyante. Ito yung nilalaman ng kanyang sports lead. Apari Cagayan, the ASAT Blazing Phoenix, stormed past St. Paul's School, 186-55, in the 2024 Palarong Pambayan Opener on Thursday at Apari Public Gymnasium. Dito makikita natin na nasasagot ng writer yung mga essential questions about the game. Gaya ng sino yung nanalo, sino yung natalo, paano nanalo yung isang team over the other, by what score, ano yung event, kailan nangyari, at saan nangyari yung laro. Pumunta naman tayo ngayon sa susunod na example. Himayin natin kung paano sinulat ng isang professional writer ng Inquirer ang laban ng Creamline at Signal. Napakaganda ng summary lead na ito. Tignan natin kung paano sinulat ng writer. Creamline asserted its mastery of Signal with a come from behind 22-25, 25-17, 22-25, 25-11, 15-8 win to open the PVL Invitational on Thursday at Phil Sports Arena. So dito, gaya kanina, nakikita natin na nasagot yung mga tanong gaya ng sino yung nanalo, sino yung natalo, paano nanalo yung isang team over the other, by what score, ano yung event, kailan nangyari, at saan nangyari yung laro. Nakikita nyo na ba yung pattern? Kung hindi pa, dumako naman tayo sa isang international game. Ito ay laban ng Australia at China noong katatapos na FIBA Asia Cup. Ito ay report mula sa Spin PH. Napaka-solid ng summary lead na ito. Pakinggan natin. Australia went through 40 minutes of freshly fought basketball before beating China 90-89 on Monday morning and winning a third successive FIBA Asia Cup title at the King Abdullah Sports City in Jeddah. So dito, makikita natin kung sino yung winner, loser, how, by what score, when, the game's significance, and where. Again, makikita natin sa lead pa lang, complete picture in one sentence. So, what's the pattern? Ang pattern natin ay simple lang. Narito yung mga rules. Una, dapat makita agad kung sino yung nanalo at sino yung natalo. Pangalawa, use strong verbs na magpapakita ng aksyon ng kwento. Pangatlo, show how a team won over the other. Humanap ka ng magandang angle. Pang-apat, add context. Sabihin kung ano ang event at kung may implication ba ito. At panglima, ilagay ang when at where. Pero kung mahaba na masyado ang lead, maaari rin naman itong ilagay sa supporting lead. Kasi ang lead natin ay kailangang maiksi lamang. So ayan, sport leads are the game's highlight reel in one sentence. Whether it's a comeback, buzzer beater, or survival thriller, ang trabaho mo bilang isang sports writer ay to capture the conflict and the action. Gusto mo ba ng libreng worksheet? I-click lamang ang link sa description.